open borders, Green New Deal, Socialist Democratic Party that believes in post-birth abortion, late-term abortion. They are exceedingly radical. And Joe Biden is trying to go along to get that brass ring, and it's not worth the 30 pieces of silver. Haley, this was a 540. It wasn't he did a 180, then a 360, then he did the 540, right? So he's back to now not supporting it, which is really radical, by the way. I am pro-life conception and natural death, but I think a relatively centrist bipartisan position was, even if you don't agree with me, I shouldn't have to be, or nor should you, have to pay with your tax dollars for someone else's choice to have an abortion. That seemed like a reasonable bipartisan position. Well, the Democrat Party is not reasonable anymore. And my question to you is, if Joe Biden couldn't withstand the tweets of Alyssa Milano, who apparently influenced him, she was the boss on this one, how does he expect to stand up to Donald Trump, who has been a vigorously pro-life president at this point?
That's right. Look, Joe Biden is puppet boy. There is someone pulling his strings. It's pathetic. He has no conviction, no principles, no message. And the question is, who is pulling those strings? And actually, and Hollywood are reportedly convinced Joe Biden to reject. They're gone. They're out the window. This is puppet boy, and it's incredible. 72 hours ago, and that first clip he played was really important because that was Cedric Richmond, his national co-chair, who just before I came on went on about Joe Biden's faith, and he's a religious man. He has these convictions, so he supports the Hyde Amendment. In 72 hours, where did his faith and his convictions and his principles go? Out the window, because the radical left and Alyssa Milano and Hollywood and junior level staffers demanded it. Reject puppet boy, embrace principle, vote for Donald Trump. That's what I'm here to say.
You know, Matt, Haley's absolutely right. I mean, there's nothing about a flip-flop on a tax rate. Where, like, Joe Biden suggested a 50% tax rate, now he's at 55. You know, people, they gave